I believe we have all heard about copyright claim on YouTube. It is real. A lot of people are losing their revenue to other people. Imagine you will sit down and film a video for hours. You will film a video, you will edit it for days, you will post it, and somebody that is shilling will just be collecting the revenue. It's painful. So what is that thing you can do that will help you avoid copyright claim on your video? You can do a video and somebody else will claim it and say it's their video, or you are using something that belongs to them in your video. Do you understand? So that's why we always say be careful. Even though you are monetized or you are yet to be monetized, be careful on what you do on your YouTube channel. YouTube is a business, so there are people that are at home, they are not doing anything. It's only YouTube they are doing. People are here for business, so you have to be serious. Now YouTube already gave us an opportunity for us to get free music without copyright. So if you go to YouTube audio library, I have a video on it already on my channel. Just scroll down, you'll see it, or I'll put it at the end of this video as an end screen so that you can watch it. Or now you can get free music without copyright. Nobody will come and claim it. Some of you, because you like Davido music, you like Shaman Jesus music, you like Messi Shiro music, you like Wizkid, you start using their music in your video, and you think they will not be there smiling and saying, go do and thank you. No, they will claim your video. In fact, YouTube will notify them that somebody is using your music. YouTube will notify them, say somebody is using your music. They will claim it. They will claim it, and there is nothing you can do about it. If that your video generates $100, that $100 will go to their account. It will go to their account because you are using their property. Do you understand? The same thing goes with other people's video. You get? The same thing goes with other people's video. Some of you like just like, oh, I watch this video, I like it. Then you go somewhere and you cut from their video. You watch the video and you remove some part that you like. You now attach it to your own. They can come and claim copyright. They will claim it. Any money you are earning from that video, they will be the ones receiving the payment. And you don't want something like that to happen. We all know that YouTube is not easy. It's not easy. First of all, you will think of the kind of video you want to do. Secondly, you will think great time to film that video. Then you will not edit. It's not easy. Me and you will know. So after you are done sweating and posting the video, somebody else will not be claiming your revenue. It's not nice. So do well to avoid copyright claim on your videos. And how do you avoid this? Number one, go and use free music from audio library. Use free music, and there is also a way you can also create your own sound. There's a way you can create your own sound and you use it for your video. You understand? Many of us, we love using background music when we are doing our video. Make sure there's no copyright music. If possible, use your voice to explain something. Do voiceover and learn how to do voiceover. Avoid copyright music from your video. Avoid it. It's not nice. It's not nice. It's painful. It's painful. This one is not like YouTube is going to share the revenue with you and the person. They will shift all the revenue and put it in the person's account, and you'll be there left with nothing. At the end of the day, you go and delete the video. Like, it's not nice. So do what you know will benefit you. You are here to make money. Do what you know will benefit you. Stop using other people's video. Stop using other people's content. Do what you know will benefit you in the long run. Do you understand? And another thing I will also talk about is this. Before you use somebody's content, take permission from that person. Take permission from that person. So that by the time YouTube now notify that person that somebody is using your content, the person already knows that, oh yes, I gave the person the permission. So there will be no need to do copyright claim again. Take permission. You send the person an email, let the person know that, oh, I love your video, I want to take some 1 minute from your video, 30 seconds from your video, like that. Take permission. It's not nice for you to just come and take somebody's video and then you are using it like that without permission. It's not nice. Take permission before you use somebody's video to avoid copyright claim. And some of us, we don't even have that time to start checking our YouTube studio, because sometimes YouTube will notify you. But because you don't have time to check, you won't know. You will think the money is entering your account. You don't know that somebody else is claiming it. You understand? You are here for business, so you have to be serious with it. do well to avoid anything that has to do with copyright claim on your video. It will help you. So like I said before, make sure that whatever music you are using on your channel is a non-copyright music. I hope you understand. So learn how to use non-copyright music on your video, and trust me, you won't have any issue with YouTube. Nobody will come and claim your video. Nobody will come and claim your revenue. All the money will go to your account. Do you understand? Remember that YouTube is already sharing your revenue with you, and then YouTube will collect their own share, and the remaining part that is for you, somebody else is claiming it. It's not nice. You understand? So learn how to do the needful, and trust me when I say it will work for you. Do you get? Thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the video, and like I always say, if you know you have any content you want me to talk about as regards YouTube, there's something you don't understand about YouTube, you can ask me on the comment section. Ask me, I will make a video on it and do that video just for you. Do you understand? So any content at all, anything you don't understand about YouTube that you want me to talk about, feel free to ask me. I will do the video just for you. Trust me when I say so. So guys, that is it for this video. We have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to drop a comment for me, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. So guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.